kid songwriter. All right, what's the point in being amazingly talented if there's no one around to tell me I'm amazingly talented? Huh? Rehearsal cam. The crew will be glued to it. Be right up. Prepared to tell me how amazingly talented I am. Woo!
Oh, wow, such amazing talent.
That is impressive.
Universe Has Talent is my all-time best ever show.
Highest ratings in the galaxy. Billions of viewers tuning in for new performances of old songs.
Sounds like a load of recycling.
That's probably why I love it.
If you ask me, all these shows just
Feed off other people's talents.
Stand by, everyone. Coming in for my rehearsal compliments.
Quick, turn it back on. The big red button.
Prepare to eject toilet.
That wasn't a room. No.
Toilet eject successful.
I was only having a quick tinkle.
So, what do you think? Aren't you all loving watching me on Universe Has Talent? Why aren't you watching my rehearsal cam? Universe don't has talent. I has talent. In fact, it should be me on that show. Put me on it. Make it happen. The talent. My face goes there. Me now. Nova face. Talent there. Happen. Me face there. Now. Talent now. Making it happen. McLaren. Nova face show now. My sister, I know. Okay, set course for Universe Has Talent.
On course for the talent planet.
Nova's on the move.
Co-writing.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
What are you gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.
Hello, folks. How are you all doing? What about you? Welcome back to the Universe Has Talent. That's it. Oh, that's great news. Well, folks, I've just been informed we've got a very special guest performance from the amazingly talented Nova Jones. All right, what do you think of that?
Hear that? Amazingly talented. He knows his stuff. Well, the host is the greatest talent spotter in the universe, and I'm the spottiest.
Grease lightning, acceleration pedal greased. And I found that toffee I lost last month. Nice. Oh.
Whoa! You gotta show me how you do that.
No, you'd never pull it off. You're too easily distracted.
Oh, yeah? Come on, Digit.
Sid.
What's that? In case of dance emergency, break glass.
Too easily distracted. It takes hours of dedication to master stuff.
Oh, how many hours? Oh, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Cornwall, Cornish pasties. Devonshire. Roller skates.
10,000 hours.
What is?
The time it takes to perfect stuff.
What's that got to do with roller skates, Captain?
No, you can't cancel my tour. It's not fair. I'll cancel your tour.
We've no choice. You've lost it. You can't sing, you can't dance.
What about my fashion sense?
Well, you're still wearing ludicrous clothes, but you've lost the ability to pull it off.
But I'm the talent. The talent. Without talent, I'm just the nothing. The nothing. Like you.
I've got talent. I'm using my talent to help find your talent.
That's not talent. That's... What do you know talents call it? Work. Without talent, I'll have to work.
Wait, if you've lost your talent, then it's bound to be about someplace. We just need to find it.
That sounds like work.
Not with the help of the greatest talent spotter in the universe.
As if that could hold me back.
Monitors, display funny kitties.
Oh, cute little kittens. I love little guys, they're so cute. Oh, I wish you could come home with me. Oh, look at you. I'm gonna call you Felipe. I love you, Felipe. Prepare to be voted off. It's elimination time.
Music!
Oh, I like this one.
Nova, sing along.
I can make the moves. I can hit the notes. I can...
Digit, fist bump.
Dance emergency in progress.
Uh-oh! Dance emergency!
The rhythm's got to me.
McLaren, do you still have that 12-colored laser pointer you were desperate to use earlier?
This one?
Exactly. Now, make sure it's turned off and don't point it at anything.
Yes, sir. I just need to get the safety switch. Oh, sorry, I messed up.
Precisely as calculated. Great work, McLaren.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, I got you. Oh, you got away. No, please. Please stop. It's too much. But I want to. No, I must. Oh, but these colors, they're just so. Help me, please make it stop. Just take it away, please. I can't focus on anything. All I can think about is glitter and unicorns and funny cat videos and novelty hot water bottles.
Ah, deep trouble. Hot water.
I can help you, but you'll have to give up every power you've stolen. It's the only way.
Of course, just take them all away. Take them all away, please.
Sid, you've saved the day.
And most importantly, you saved my crossword. Now you're getting it.
But my humble dreams of being a galaxy-wide mega famous pop star.
You'll need to start again. This time without stealing talent. Just hard work, practice, and patience.
Of course. I'll do it.
Find something you truly love and stick at it.
It takes 10,000 hours of practice to perfect something. Did you know that?
Indeed. Practice makes perfect.
Perfect,
Thank you, Sid. You're the most talented being I've met. I promise you, I'll use my time well. Oh. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, it's beautiful.
Back to normal. Just in time. The extra sellout shows have just sold out.
Really?
As have the extra sold out sellout extra shows.
Fabulous. It's going to be the best tour ever. How can it not be when I've got the most talented crew a galaxy-wide, mega-famous pop star could ever wish for? Though I am still the best singer on board, am I right? Hey, Sid.
Hey.
Oh.
Captain, time to tour. If you'd be so kind as to use your incredible piloting talent to get us safely to our destination.
Oh, please. You'll make me blush.